I'm Dylan. I like to use electrical tape, and today I'll be showing you how to sort of make like a little pad right here for like your BB gun. So here's what you'll need. A BB gun. Any kind of BB gun, just a BB gun. Electrical tape. And if I can hear this. And something sharp to cut the electrical tape with. Okay, let's get started. Get your electrical tape. I think inside the little cut here. Here it is. Get some, like, pull some off like that. And get the back of your BB gun, and you're gonna, it'll stick. God dang it. I don't know if this electrical tape is gonna stick to this like plastic kind of stuff, but yours might stick a little better than mine will. But once you get it all pressed down and everything, it'll work just fine. Gotta cut it here. Hold on. Get your piece of electrical tape that's about this is the same length as your stalk, and this tape like this. Just press it in really good. Crap. Right. And I think my webcam fell. Yep. Okay, so you got that right there. Now you're gonna wanna put a bunch of layers more of tape on there, and see, you want a lot of electrical tape on there if you really want it to be comfortable. Stupid here. What are you doing? Sorry, my dad's being an idiot. We can continue on. You don't have to use electrical tape. That's just what I recommend because it's a lot thicker and it'll hold on better and you can feel it a lot more, you know. And I just recommend it. I think I just cut myself with my knife. Oh well, there's a little blood coming out, but it didn't hurt. It's alright, don't call 911. It's okay. If you get really tired of this, it's going to take a lot of electrical tape. And really, you only have to put it in the middle of it. So, yeah. Let me feel that real quick. Oh. Getting softer. Sorry, my computer keeps going black. And now my webcam fell over. Now my BB gun's falling over. Alright. Get your electrical tape again. Let me try and give you a look at what I'm doing. Well, I'm trying to. Stupid freaking webcam. Swear to you. Next time I'm not gonna use my bed, I'm gonna use my nightstand. Y'all think that might help out? Okay, so that's my beacon right there. This is what your stalk should look like by now. Want to keep it in place, you're going to want to, let me test this out. It's getting pretty soft. I need a little more layers of it. See the blood? Yeah, I cut myself. It didn't hurt, just a little sting, you know. But yeah, I did cut myself. I don't need to call 911 or anything, but no need to get a Dora. I'm not Paul Blart. Sorry, my computer's going black and I don't want anything to happen.